All right, let's run through how to do an open house form from the app on your phone. So a lot of people use this instead of the computer. I know a lot of people that don't even use the desktop version of Lofty. They're just pretty much in the app the whole time. And especially if it's like last minute, you kind of forgot to do the open house form, or maybe you're brand new to Lofty and you're scared to use the open house form, and you're like, ooh, I want to try this. Try it out. I think you'll be so unbelievably shocked. All right, so first off, get into your app, click more at the bottom. It's going to pull up all your additional things that you can do, and I'm going to go through all these different ones at different times just so you know. It's very cool. Like, I love that door knocking feature. Click open house right there in the middle. It's going to bring you to this screen. Now, you can do a couple things here. You can either edit or delete current ones that you have, or you click the little plus sign in the upper right there. This is how you can add a new open house form. Do not do anything with the photos, okay? Go straight to the street address, second one there. Punch in the address of whatever listing it is. I'm just grabbing some random, just a random place there. You can see at the top where it says photo there, it pulls in the main MLS photo, pulls in all the information about the house. It's all right there. Now, questionnaire right here in the middle. You do have to select a questionnaire. Default questionnaire is totally fine, okay? This is what it looks like. Name, email, phone number. That's really all you need. It does have the extra questions and stuff. They're not required. Really, name and email is the only ones required there. But name, email, and phone number, that's really all you need. You don't have to worry about anything past that. Honestly, what you'll notice is the more questions you ask, the more pissed off the people are going to get. So I'm going to go ahead and check that default questionnaire right there. You can choose lead ownership. Is it company? Is it personal? Who is it? Shared. You can share it with your agent, share it with your group, all that. From there, you can either send welcome email, send welcome text, and assign leads by lead routing. I do not send the welcome email or the welcome text. Okay, I turn those off because anything that comes through your open house, you should be reaching out to those people specifically. You've talked to these people, you've seen these people. You need to hit these people up directly. Do not send that welcome email or welcome text, because when you follow up with them, you're going to have something to talk about with the open house, and then you can talk about property searches, home valuation, all that kind of stuff. Once you're done with this, you just simply click done at the top. Oh, got to select the questionnaire. Yep, I want that one. Select. Okay, and done. And as you can see, that one is right there now. So if I simply click on it, pulls up what that questionnaire looks like for somebody. And if you scroll to the bottom there, there's the open house QR code. So in the event you don't have your laptop or something like that, you simply can just show them the QR code, and they can sign in just like that, and you're good to go. So that's doing open house form from the app. Hope that was helpful. If you want additional tips, training, you want to have somebody that you can lean on for this type of stuff, check out my school community, Everett Academy.